Dinosaur Carson.
No talking. I'm doing the music. My channel.
Are you YouTube famous, Cameron? Say what's up, people.
What's up, people? I got almost 7,000.
Cameron, I got a song that I want you to act goofy around. Okay, I want you to act goofy around this song. Come here, over here. Come on, people in the house. People in the house. People in the house. People in the house. Come, people in the house. People in the house. People in the house. People in the house. You sang that song a million times. Okay, you sang that song a million times. You've sang that song a million times. Let's sing something else. Hey, people in the house. People in the house. Whoop, whoop. People in the house. Whoop, whoop. People in the house. People in the house. People in the house.
I'm gonna sing a song today.
No, sing people in the house.
No, it's gonna be a fun song.
What's crack-a-lackin' in the hood, Cameron, for shizzle my dizzle?
No.
What's crack-a-lackin'?
Mom, I'm looking at you.
No, I'm asking you a serious question. Cameron, what's crack-a-lackin'? Don't pick your nose. Why are you picking your nose? Cameron, are you a chick magnet?
Stop!
Who's your favorite girl?
Dude, you better don't leave this video. I don't want it on my channel.
Do you want to get with Amber or do you want to get with the other girl?
I told her she doesn't want to have a crush on me.
Oh, you mean the girl at school?
Yeah.
Oh. Tell me about it.
She said...
She flipped out when you told her?
Yeah.
Why'd you tell her that you got a crush on her?
Because...
After all these years?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She said she doesn't want to...
Look at me. She said she doesn't want to be your friend?
No.
She said that?
Yeah.
How mean. Was her friend around?
Yes.
That's why. She don't want her friend to know. Just get her alone and tell her that you want to be her friend. And say stop being mean to me around your friend.